disgrace. You see that? Let's listen. The amount disgrace comes from people, and how they gave him the money. He measured the names and the amounts. See how this woman, this criminal, gather people money together to enrich herself. To enrich herself without no conscience. To refill her pockets. True scam. True scamming. Sorry guys, I'll be fast because 1 hour, I want to keep to my time. 1 hour is 1 hour. Please let me to share this video. Okay? The one they have reached out to this guy now. That they have been scammed by disgrace. Mama Namumu is roughly 50 million. Roughly. The one that have reached out to him, oh, not the rest that have not cried out, oh, that she has been giving fake hope, fake expectation. Don't worry, it's on process. Your visa will soon come out. Your visa will soon, we are not talking about. The one that have already reached out to him already have this almost roughly 50 million. Not the one that will also go to that will get in contact to her, to this criminal directly. We are not aware of that one yet. Just the one that went through this guy. The people that went through this complex, how do you call it? Partner in crime. Roughly 50 million naira according to their calculation. Let me play it quickly. Please, lovely people, help me to thumbs up. Don't just watch. Thumbs up the video. Okay. Let's go.
For their visa money, the visa way no work, or the one way no do, he pay their back. Make at the cancer they go.
It's not loud. Why?
One.
It's okay.
Osaru Mercy. The boy give him 1 million naira to do visa.
Please, guys, share the video. Share.
The boy say he go pay him 550. Say because the 450 he use our work. So as the thing not work, he go pay him 550. Because send the boy 400,000 today. Say he go balance on 150.
As this guy they talk, they display everything on the screen. I'll go hold my phone now. I want to share this video. I go hold my phone now so that I go hear well.
One Rosemary Abongali say one travel go Israel. He paid the woman 1.2 million. Mama, he paid him 1.2 million. The thing not work. The girl say not go anywhere. So she don't return 1 million. Give the girl. He paid him 500,000 before. Or he get another 500,000 today. Maybe 1 million will return. Give the girl. Then he return another 1 million. Give favor at Jakarta. Another 1 million. Now return. Give favor at Jakarta today. People will reach out to me. Will give money to mama for the traveling agency. I won't count them one after the other. The ones will reach out to me with receipt. Now I won't count one after the other. About 40-something million naira. 40-something million. Now they pay out. So make a count there for you. The total amount paid for the ones who don't reach out to me, the total amount paid now be 45 million 789,000 naira.
Good evening, darling.
45 million 789,000 naira.
Now they hear.
Now be the total money where they pay mama traveling agency for those who reach out to me with receipt. The first person.
Now they hear cases.
Ancestors, he pay 1 million.
People million. So
the other one, now Afeyeshi Agboteni. I mean Agboteni. He dey go Australia, country in Australia. Mama, total money we take for him na 5.9 million. You never get 1 naira. All the receipts that they show you so. Oh, then Agbolao Mary we pay 1.2 million to go Israel. Mama return 1 million giver. Then Informa
Colleagues, you're welcome.
You know, so AK, the total
You're
money
welcome.
they pay mama traveling agency now 7.6 million. That be the total money we pay. Then one David Idie. Now Australia now won't go.
Receipts, they follow everything, no evidence of receipts where they say give Mama na Mumu scamming agency alias disgrace. The scammer of our time, notorious one as that. Make una see as this boy the talker, when he advertised for him to give her many people to scam, they display the receipts. Millions upon millions, some day 7 point something, some day 8 point. No, listen. Me I the show now for screen, more kuna dey see am. My people make una talk through this kind thing good. And I want to ask question una where dey here. Una sure say this guy no say disgrace na scammer before he involved with him to they do this kind of scammy business? Because now this boy they say he had not there, this one. Is it that this guy, what you be una take? Una feel say this guy don't really know how scam disgrace can be. Because this guy, when the new start this thing, I call him out. I tell God, say stop. This person when he creates a platform saying they do visa, so he never fit do see visa for herself, take travel out of Nigeria. Say now Europe he leg one enter. He never fit do one for herself. She not get all it takes. She not get the contact. She not get nothing, the connection to do visa for nobody. Don't involve yourself in this thing. I want this guy, but he didn't listen. But look at people, a lot of people wait for victim now. Disgrace carry their money, use that. Take go buy children. To tell put another office of another level of scamming for women where need picking. Me, I want to show now as they play on one show. I'm gonna see all this the evidence where this guy they display for this video when he do so. Let's go there.
Make at the cancer they go. One Osaho Osarunesi. The boy give him 1 million naira to do visa. The thing not work. He come tell the boy say he go pay him 550. Say because the 450 he use our work. So as the thing not work, he go pay him 550.
Imagine, person give her 1 million for visa. He not even submit. There's no proof of evidence that he go even submit anything for them. But after the whole thing don't knock, they don't overweight. After 1 year, 8 months, they don't they drag and go give them. Imagine person will drop 1 million. See the strategy. See the game. Person will give 1 million. Where give her 1 million, this scammer. Where give disgrace 1 million. At the end of the day, disgrace go return 550. 450 don't go. And this one person will say, when they give her that money, their passport, you don't even move an inch. And they just said that on conference, so they don't even know where they misplace and put, go throw me from one corner for a house. You know, if they make any attempt to even make an application or submit nothing, disgrace now they do visa. Then at the end of the day, he go give them back. He give that one back. That one will give her 1 million. He give her 550. Where is 450? He enter bush. 450 lost. That will not be person way. Maybe that person now he gather your life together to take raise that 1 million. Disgrace scam. After scamming, when although they drag her, he return 550, 450 gone. You see the strategy where they use. They scam a lot of people. This kind thing good. And my lovely people where they look. He good. Good evening, my darling lady, bless your room. This kind of thing good. These are people sweat, people efforts, people destiny. Gather money for that Nigeria. Not be it's not easy anywhere. Apart from it's not easy. Money to make money not easy anywhere. Some people go do hard job, le bouquet, do why we push we barrel, do all kinds of job, borrow, join, send waiting they get, gather together at the end of the day, one idiot go, just less the money for their hand, scam them off their money. And disgrace believe say she's on top of the world, that she's untouchable. Mommy love for me. they work together. Okay, they work together, B. But he's not saying that. Yeah, no deal. He no know. Na endorsement to give him. Endorsement na ambassador, whatever they call it. Just imagine. More than listen. Okay? But we listen attentively, more the analyzer.
You know, he pay the back. Make her the cancer they go. One Osaho Osarumesi. The boy give him 1 million naira to do visa. The thing no work. He got tell the boy say he go pay him 550. Say because the 450 he use her work. So as the thing no work, he go pay him 550. He could send the boy 400,000 today. Say he go balance on 150. Then one Rosemary Agbongale say one travel go Israel. He paid the woman 1.2 million. Mama na mama, he pay him 1.2 million. The thing no work. The girl say no go anywhere. So she don't return 1 million. Get the girl. He pay him 500,000 before. Or he get another 500,000 today. I be 1 million will return. Get the girl. Then he return another 1 million. Give favor at Jakota. Another 1 million. Now return. Give favor at Jakota today. People will reach out to me. Will give money to mama and mama for the traveling agency. I won't count them one after the other. The ones will reach out to me with receipt. Now I won't count one after the other. About 40-something million naira. 40-something million.
Una dey hear am? The one wey don reach out to this boy so far, not be the ones wey never reach out to wey disgrace dey deceive for inside house. The one wey only the one wey don reach out. 40-something million, roughly 50 million. Roughly 50 million naira. You can imagine people sweat. Where a criminal like disgrace put in a possession to be squandering. Using it to feed useless boy where she married. We use her money marry put for inside house. Roughly 50 million. The one we don't reach out to. Not be the ones we're going to see for inside and say, hey, he's about to come out. The visa will come out for where? The moment he collect money from their hand, they send passport for requirements. Disgrace go show we in one corner. He not submit nothing. He not submit nothing. Ugo, you are welcome. He not submit nothing. See money where you not be the ones where you go to her direct. The one where you go through this boy for victim. Now that they measure so roughly 50 million. This guy talk one thing yesterday. Say money where he don't refund almost he don't refund 100 million. For person to even talk say which this guy say na lie. For him to even say he return 100 million, you should know that money where disgrace those scam people is more than 500 million. No joke. No joke. You see how this evil woman and those people money through scamming. And she'll be telling herself she has money. People sweat. People labor. People sacrifice people's future. Eh? Una de hear so? I asked a question also. How many of you believe say this guy not know say this disgrace not be scam? How many of you feel say the guy not know or the guy know? They are into it together. What do you think? Do you think they are into it together? Is maybe because they are now over dragging this guy, now this guy now start dragging disgrace. Because he said disgrace was sorting him out, giving him money, his own percentage out of the customers he was bringing for them for her to scam them. How many of you believe say this guy no say disgrace na scam? How many of you believe say the guy no how do you call it? Partner in crime. Let it be not take. I want to know our opinion concerning that question. Okay, Ugo said the guy feel not know. Really? Okay. Ugo said the guy feel not know. Wait till be your own take. You way they watch me so. May we listen. Roughly 50 million. The one we don't reach out to this guy now. 50 million, roughly. The one we don't reach out. The one we never reach out. Where this guy see the brainwash. Or the one where she don't block. We don't even know how to go about making a report against her or dragging her. We don't know those ones now. The one where don't reach out already with receipts. Roughly 50 million where disgrace scam. Through this guy, the one where go to disgrace direct to go give her money through visa. We never hear those ones now. May we listen. Please, guys, you will help me do something. Help me to thumbs up this video. Help me, if you are kind enough, help me to share it. Let's create this awareness together. It's not easy to make money anywhere. Nigeria is hard. Everywhere is hard. Let's put a stop to this scammer once and for all. Let's, you and I, create this awareness. How do you join me to create this awareness? By sharing. By loving and liking this video. By giving your opinion. Let people see your comment to read. Your opinion to read. Your opinion can go a long way to help others out there. Not to fall into this criminal. Who are we talking about? I'm going to show a picture for those, or I will put a picture there now for those that don't know who we are talking about. Let me just place it there. This criminal. Let me quickly put it there, guys. Please, I'm sorry. So that those that don't know, they will know. We are creating awareness. Notorious criminal in town. Notorious criminal in town. Notorious one. That woman are evil. My darling lady, you can say that again. You can say that again. Mommy love, I believe say the guy don't know. Really? Okay. Rachel say he believes say the guy don't know. But before this guy start this 419 business with disgrace, I was out there. Roughly 2 years, I was bringing evidence of people. People were coming on my page to cry out how this idiot scammed them. How come he didn't know? I was out there creating awareness day in and day out for people, to save people, not to fall into a hand. And after then, this guy went to disgrace went to this guy for endorsements, to be doing adverts for her. Fake mama na mumu scamming agency. This guy start doing advertisement for her. That is how people start tripping, losing their money. Millions upon. You will hear how much? With receipts. Eh? A juju don't fail. Okay? That woman and her pastor supposed go kiri cause na they give her liver. You can say that again, my darling. Let's go. Please, let's listen attentively. Okay, my lovely, amazing people, please thumbs up and share this video for me. That's the only way you can join hands with me to create this great awareness. Please. Because the scammer is still out there. The page is using to bring out this scamming agency, using to scamming people. It's still on there on Facebook. Let's create awareness. Help me share. I do what I can do. You join me to do. You do your own part by sharing. It's a great thing you're doing. Yeah? So please, guys, thumbs up and share this video. Let's go.
Then, one Rosemary.
You don't see receipt for that? Receipt
for to go Israel. He paid the woman 1.2 million. Mama, he paid her 1.2 million. The thing not work. The girl say not even go anywhere. So don't return. He
said the guy say not even go anywhere. Now on phone, send me your passport. Send me the money. Finish. C'est fini. C'est fini. He go if you receive their passport, you throw away for Canada. Now the money she get interest on. Now the money concern this criminal, nothing else. The money, you see these guys, they talk and they display the receipts. You can see it. Look at he displayed the receipt how they pay this criminal. For fake visa, scamming visa, when she did they collect money from people. You see, huh? These are evidence. People will see things like this. This is how I was creating awareness with evidence. Every people she scam, I was calling out evidence every day by day. People still watch. So see for victim. Well, social media is large. It's not everybody that will. That's why it's good to share such information so it will go viral. it will go viral. If you don't share, it will not go far. It will not go far at all, my lovely, amazing people. Please share this video. Let's go.
And get it again. You pay on 500,000 before, or you get another 500,000 today. I be 1 million will return get it again. Then in return, another 1 million. Give favor at Jakota. Another 1 million. Now in return, give favor at Jakota today. People will reach out to me, will give money to mama and mama for the traveling agency. I won't count them one after the other. The ones will reach out to me with receipt. Now I won't count one after the other. About 40-something million naira. 40-something million. Now they pay out.
Do you hear that? 40-something
So
million.
make I count it for you. The total amount paid for the ones who don't reach out to me. The
total amount paid, the one that came through this guy, the one that reached out and realized that they have been scammed already. The one that reached out, not the one that have not reached out, we don't know about how many out there that have not reached out. The one that have reached out, roughly 50 million. Disgrace, they scam people, sha. Is that a small money? Money will not work for. Please, I'm not seeing comments. I hope my network is okay. I hope my network is fine, guys. I'm not seeing you guys comment at all. Please comment. You see, let's continue.
Paid. Now be 45,789,000 naira. 45,789,000 naira. Now be the total money where they pay mama and mama traveling agency for those who reach out to me with receipts. The first
For those who don't reach out to him with receipts, roughly 50 million, 40-something million. For those who don't reach out to. Those who don't reach out to. And they hear us so. Not be small jackpots. Jackpots where go buy your heads, disgrace. Now you they chop, people sweat, people pain, people sorrow. Where you they cause them, now you they chop, and it no go better for you. May we listen, lovely people, because of time.
Now Festus, he pay 1 million. Mama never get 1 naira. The other one, now Afeyeshi Agboteni, I mean Agboteni, he dey go Australia, country in Australia. Mama, total money we take for you now 5.9 million. You know that get 1 naira.
5 point waiting. You never get 1 naira. 5 points. Hey, see money now. Just they carry calculator. You the calculator if you get the time. 5.something million. You never go get 1 naira. See person who want to do Australia visa for a person. She never enter a leg, never enter Europe. This useless, dirty scammer. A leg, she never entered Europe since she was born into her life was born into this, a miserable life was born into this life. She never entered Europe. But she's get the mind to collect money from people. Just like that. They scam them like say tomorrow, no day. No fear of God at all. No sympathy. Who gather 5 point something? You don't say it's their property. For that Nigeria we had. You don't say they gather all their life together to achieve, to be able to raise that such an amount. Eh? Just imagine one person 5 point something. See the receipts. See, as they talk, they display the receipts when they pay this criminal. See. These are raw. This is what I was doing. I was creating awareness with evidence for people you want to avoid this criminal. But social media is big. Some get to find out, some didn't get to check, some didn't get to find out. That's why you go carry a endorsement, give this guy. Make it for bring more maga for her when he go scam.
All the receipt.
And they see so. Make they reach out to very dark man for help. Okay. We go read comments after I play the video finish. Maybe I will just give this video 1 hour 30 minutes before I go where they go rain the first self. All right, let's go.
The other one, now Afeyeshi Agboteni, I mean Agboteni, it go Australia, country in Australia. Mama na mama, total money we take for you na 5.9 million. You never get 1 naira.
5.9.
Now they show you so.
5.9 million, roughly 6 million.
Agbolao Mary, we pay 1.2 million to go Israel. Mama and mother return 1 million give her. Then Informa Obuji, she also AK the total money we pay Mama and Mama traveling agency na 7.6 million.
Hey, wait! 7.6 million. Una de year something. That one another personal. 7.6 million. Not be a year just now. Be my ear they whine me. My ear they deceiving me. My ear they want. My ear they pay me. I know you're aware. 6 point kini. I bet me will hear aware. Bless my ear they do bo after they hear the million with these criminal scam people. This criminal disgrace. Mama na mumu scamming agency. Alias disgrace. Prophet like disgrace. May we hear. Let's say I know you're aware. Oh, see the receipt. So, they are displaying the receipt.
Then Informa Obuji. She also AK the total money we pay.
I bet wait, that's 7.9. I want hear again. I want hear very important. You know, bless him. Na my ear they deceive me. I know hear where.
I'm not saying it go Australia, country in Australia. Mama na mama, total money we take for you na 5.9 million. Okay, another one. You never get 1 naira.
Never get 1 naira.
Now they show you so. Okay. Oh. Then, Agbolao Mary, we pay 1.2 million to go Israel. Okay. Mama and mother return 1 million give her. Then, Informa Obuji, she also AK the total money we pay Mama and Mama traveling agency na 7.6 million.
Hey!
That be the total money we pay.
7.6 million.
Then what David Idinye na Australia na in one go. The total amount we pay Mama and Mama na 4.6 million. He pay her 2 times. 2 million.
Now they see money. Now this criminal gather go they buy children. Now this one he gather till they feed boy. Till they impress boy, make that one not run liver. Because if he go broke, now so beat that one they beat him. So punch, that one they punch him. Boy, know they walk. Now they have money. That these last 2 people when just mentioned now before I pass her now, they never passed 10 million. Only 2 people, 6 point something, 4 point something. The only 2 people don't pass 10 million. Now they see criminal disgrace. I am out for you. You will refund those people money. Enough is enough. You don't do. I don't know why God never strike you for good. You are too heartless. You don't even they consider say how this people put this money together. Like the guy when he scam with Visa that time, that one sell land 1.7 million. Land with foundation inside. Young boy when they come up, he said the only land when he gets he raised 1.7 million. This woman scammer. That one happened like 2 years ago, or over 2 years ago. For how long? Will you continue to take what belongs to people? You know you don't have all it takes. You don't know connection to do Visa. If you know, now yourself your first to do for, but you are busy scamming people with different kind of things. Just to take what belongs to them. Oh, see mama, oh mama, good evening, ma, good day, ma. I don't know what the time is, what time is it in the US? Let me read mama comment. My family and I are vicious. She collected dollar from us to sow seed under her father feet. Jeremiah, she said her father likes seed, sowing in dollars. When I see this mama, where he write this comment so, She scammed mama and her husband. They are advanced couple. They are mama and papa. This same disgrace. I have played mama audio and her husband in time past to create awareness, to help out people. Mama that just commented here. Now, mama, good day, my help, I've greeted you before. Mama that just commented here now, they are also victim of this criminal. They were also victim. Not just mama and her husband was victim. Even their daughter was scammed by this criminal. Their daughter that is a soldier was also scammed by this notorious criminal. This, my beautiful mama and her adorable husband, they are advanced people. They are enough to even be my mother. Their children, I believe they will have children that is even more, up to my age. Because they are advanced people. This mama and papa that was scammed by this criminal, I think he gave them what do you call it? What do you call it? Offer of a oil business. He was using to scam them and other things. Millions of dollars, oh, millions of dollars. And he was also asking them to sow seed, that they have to sow seed there. Look at what mama just wrote. That the spiritual father likes seeds, and in dollar. It shouldn't be in naira, it should be in dollar. Ah, Jesus. What if person never see for life, eh? He never work carriage there. Eh? Can you imagine that? This mama and her husband have to travel down to Nigeria to get this criminal arrested. She was in jail for weeks. She was in jail for weeks. She was arrested at Asaba. No bail. Because the money she scammed them wasn't now big money guy. Not be small money. Oh. And their daughter too is also, she also scammed that one. Like wotos. Enough scamming. So I'm not telling stories here. I'm not, look at other matters that is coming up. I know other issues that is displayed, even the period that I talk about what I'm saying right now. About the mama in US. I said, when I said this idiot is a notorious criminal, I not pour water. See, I not pour water to talk. I swallow water before I talk. Notorious criminal. Notorious, not just a criminal, a notorious one. She scam people money, they build house, put boy inside. Because if you know, if she broke, the enemy will make her broke, now beat down the pan and beat her. Beating, or enough beating. That's why, as one they cast, 149 which they do this cast, she they think of another one. Now that boy even they help her say, oh yeah, switch to this one, now see this one, don't know, yeah, switch to this one now. So they scam people, they are earn money always and all the time. And this idiot is not ready to repent. He's according to Mama husband. Mama husband said, Mama husband speak English. Said, is an unrepented criminal. Something like that. Unrepented. I heard that word from Mama husband. That this criminal is unrepented soul. You can see. Do you know how many people this idiot have put in depression, in pain, in limitation, in frustration? Do you know how many people that even as we speak now, you hear it? I explained one of you yesterday. Many people that scam money for visa now, fake visa. Many have stroke now. It's possible that it's out of shock. You know when you already plan and gather money for something, and at the end of the day, you just fall into a scammer. You just fall into an armed robber hand. It's not everybody that can take it. That shock alone, that pain alone. Or probably, she can also go spiritual for them. Yeah. She can also go spiritual for them. So that they will not drag out the money. She can attack them spiritually. As I heard, some are having stroke already. Some are terribly sick already. Eh? You understand, lovely people? Please thumbs up this video for me. Now, what for some of our people, upon different video, mommy love take expose this fake prophet like disgrace. Gullible people still they four puts for her 419 scam. See me Osayamo, my darling Lady Sandra. As I create awareness, reach roughly 2 years now, they shout for streets or Facebook to create awareness. People still fall victim. Tell us on I get weakness for you. It's so painful, it's so sad that people still fall victim to this criminal that have nothing to offer but destruction, limitation. This one will limit. She has limited a lot of people. The one will pay me. Now one girl, that girl when I play yesterday, will get problem. Oh, my lady. Oh, this my lady. Be one talk. My lady, if you are watching me, you are trying to call me, please. I'm using the phone. Call me on my other number. The one that ends with 97. If you don't have it, let me call it here. Okay, +34. If you want to contribute to this show, my number is +34 640 60 61 97. That is my WhatsApp number. You can call WhatsApp, you can call direct. I repeat again, +34 640 60 61 97. You can call me on that one. Please, if you grab the number, help me put it down so that anyone that wants to contribute, because that my lady, I believe she wants to say something. Do you understand, my lovely, amazing people? That woman, Grace, na big scammer, very painful, very painful. It's very painful. The way she's ripping people of their money is very painful. You have been casting awareness. Why are they still sending her money? You are welcome, Emmanuel. Victory. That woman, Grace, na big scammer. Enough. Thank you, mommy love. I remember when you talk about this mama in US case, how prophet like disgrace collected their money. Yes. Thank God you guys remember. You see, a lot of people lost. I mean, sister Doris in the US, you know how much they owe that one. When that one tell I say, come, now wait that one. DSS, you want to go arrest her, now you quickly pay that one money. You need to take action. Some people are just too fragile. Don't be afraid of anybody in this life. Stand for your rights. Even though they won't buy you, you buy for your rights. If it comes to worst, which nobody even got the right to buy anybody anyway. You should go spiritual, be prayerful. People, they fear her because they know how evil, how you go, they threaten them with diabolic things. Not be people like us, you go threaten with diabolic. Who you help? She even threatened me then now. That's why she wants send madness, go give her only daughter. Because not only that one be her only daughter. All this one she bears, so not be her blood. Not be her for blood, not be also her blood. She said she wants send madness. Therefore, yes, your papa don't mad, disgrace. No bell. You think me? I pray make I fear any fucking human being. I have respect for humans. I don't have no fear for any idiot. Now, respect I get for humanity. I respect people. Yes, I do. But fear, God not create me with fear at all. I don't have fear. Not only God that they fear. Only God. But some people are very fearful. They are very fearful. Any small thing, they don't fear their fellow human. The way they breathe come off for nose. How you go fear? Person will be saying if their breath just sees now, they don't go. Fellow human like you. As you they breathe in, breathe out, and so they breathe in, you can't fear them. Say what happen. Say now waiting. Not be people like us, so not be our type, I beg. So let's proceed, guys. May we listen because of time. Oh, thank you so much, Osayamo. Thank you for the number. Anybody want to call, you can call on that number. Facebook is big. Easter block needs to carry and make the forfeit help people. Okay. Let's continue, guys. Please, thumbs up.
6 million. Now, David, a day we go Australia.
Okay, let's go.
Agency. Now, 7.6 million. That is the total money we pay. Then one David, he did. Now Australia now I won't go. The total amount we pay mama now 4.6 million.
Okay.
We pay her 2 times. One 2 million, another one 2.6 million. Then David a day when they go to Australia. Then one online she does here Richard. The country where we go to Australia, he paid the total sum of 2,950,000 naira. He paid her 3 times. They never returned.
Just imagine it was a scam. For one other person at 6.something million. For another person for the same Australia or visa to Australia, another person at 2.something million. So I don't get it. She go all wait there. If she wait, she gets she take the way there. I bet me I clean my eye. Like say the cream where I take cream when I bath just now. They enter my eye. I don't know. She go wait there. Go say this one. Oh yeah. As you go wait there, whether they how they take day. You know, move my go encourage them. They go say anything where they want. Where they get. Anything where they get, may they sell them. Because I don't understand why for one person to go Australia now 6.something. For another person now 2.something. It doesn't even make sense. Ade, thank you for the number. God bless you. Let me see. Oh, it's not correct. The number you put there is not correct. It's not complete.
Then, one Okoro Monday, they still go Australia. He paid 2.5 million. Give mama and mama traveling agency. They never refund anything. Give her. Then one Uday, Ogenero, the country where they go now, Canada, the total money we pay now 1.560 million. 1.560 million. He paid the money 2 times. They never gave any 1 naira. Then these 3 people pay 4.5 million. Give mama and mama traveling agency 4.5 million. Ajaro, Otiti Bright, Igulu, Precious Chinedu, Lucky, Orugogu. 4.5 million I pay give mama and mama. She don't return 2.5 million give them. 2.5 million. Now mama and mama don't refund give them. They want glory at Kidi. 1 million naira. Now I pay mama and mama. They never pay 1 naira. The Harry Ifedima paid mama and mama traveling agency 3.129 million naira.
Hey!
3.129 million.
Hey God, million. See people money. Just see people money. See how she take they enrich herself with people sweat. And she know they fear God. And she not get conscience. Just see people, million, people add end money, people sweat, people struggle. Just thinking that they are dealing with a person that is, I mean, not only that they are dealing with scammer, notorious scammer of our time, disgrace. See million, I know they calculate this. Million upon millions. Where disgrace scam people. She presents the children when she got back from east, west, and south. She they show people baby things when she buy. People money. People sweat. People have money. She they display. She they show up on Facebook. Say she buy plenty baby things. Money yamana wuyo wa oh man no why. Or unless you return these people money. You are overnight, me I know why. Imagine people, children, people, family, people struggle. One person will all sit down, tell him say he's smart, begin to scam people anyhow. No conscience. She shot her baby things. The video raf, the sample. Say, may we see oh, she don't go buy. Half dozen of sardine. Shameless criminal. Shameless criminal. With people sweat. You scam people. When they do online 419 ministry. You use build as not do you. You scam people again now. You can go buy children where be like ancestors. I don't know where you go buy children from. Ancestors. So do first like every time I they look my husband before I go bath. I say, how this one take day? Now old woman, this one come. Now old woman be this one now. Picking old for face. Or momo where they fresh. Those so bubble. You they look picking go they hungry you. We don't know where this guy go buy ancestors. He carry half dozen. Jehovah Shabbat. Half dozen of ancestors with no resemblance at all. Frustrated children where frustrate somewhere where people search or where give her. We people earn money. We people sweat. We people struggle. So gather 100,000 naira for Nigeria is not easy. Go take it probably might even take some people months, 3 months to save 100,000 naira. Yes. Yes. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Half dozen to prove a point on social media. So people will also come through that. Oh yeah, IVF, or she go use that medium, scam them. She's already on it anyway. She's already on it. Very soon I will start to the year that they cry out for streets. Say their money is gone. Oh, she promised me to take me to clinic. Oh, where she did the IVF. Oh, they don't know say, mumu scammer not born no picking. IVF not work for her. He not born. He not carry picking for her belly. Not to talk of say born picking. Can you imagine? You just gather people million. They are strong, they are sweat, their service. Probably for years or all their life. You just jeopardize it just like that. And tell yourself that nothing they happen. You use and do for your own self. People sweat. Humans. Some humans are wicked. Some humans are wicked. They are terrible. You just know that you want to cause your fellow pain. You take what belongs to them by trick. And you feel comfortable to do that. And you tell yourself nothing they happen. You will not fake one story and use to justify your criminality lifestyle. Can you imagine? Yeah? You don't buy 3 sardines as hand rich. Now you call the social media. Oh, I didn't sleep. Oh, the half dozen of sardines. Oh, my people is not easy. I am tired. Who are you? No, not tired. If you tired, give the tap. Press their nose for two minutes. No more. You tired, you press their nose for 2 minutes and end of story. Solution go come. You'll be cool. Person say you message when you tired, no agbon. When you say, oh yeah, Janet, bring her come. Felicia, carry belle say for me. What's it call her? Isabella, carry belle, carry your own. How many enter for your own? When they got that, they won't come die. Take prove a point. You don't know say stress day. Were you sleeping? Were you daft? Were you already? I know you are daft. Were you dreaming? Why are you disturbing peace on social media? It's not easy. I never sleep. The other one ancestors of the Sandy never sleep. Oh, it's 3 a.m. never sleep. The other ancestor don't sleep. The other one never sleep. The other one they cry. The other one not cry. Who send you? Who send monkey? Who send your papa? Nonsense. Carry your cross. Useless scammer. See people you're putting in pain, scamming them off their hard-earned money, and you just sleep. When the night comes, you sleep. You fear go let you sleep. How you think they sleep? When your conscience not they judge you. Notorious scammer, disgrace. How you think they sleep at night? I did this room today for how many years? I don't get one credit from my neck. I fear credit die. I don't like credit lifestyle. As I did here, so home and abroad, I don't get one naira credit for my life. I don't like credit. Not to talk of you can't scam people till they enrich yourself. They drag you. They drag you. You don't even get conscience. Why I not involve myself in credit? I love my peace. I don't want anything we go come they bother my mind. No. If I want something, I gather the money. Anytime we complete, I buy it cash. I no fit. I no fit. After my expenses, waiting remain, oh yeah, make plan with it. I not say yes. Then I say, there's a way. No want credit, not to talk. You call they scam people. They call the whole people by scamming them. You know the shame. Ekwemu notorious scammer, disgrace. Feturemu, you know the shame. Feturemu, you dey use money to the pet boy when you use your money marry. Make it for no run. Because without money, as you make 2 so, you no go stay. Or the man say that one a dog anyway. They fuck around anyhow. You no go stay. You have to scam people to even you the looking at. If person even look into your mouth, in fact, person you're that is in this life you get as if you're the reason I one kind. Your eye no go let person look. Your body no go let. Even mouth, nose, nowhere they let person look. Now make you they scam people till they keep boy make it for stay till they feed them, they clothe them, they entice them. Cannot say him to go and work. Man, they work. Even woman, they work. Eh? Let me see comments. Let me see. And she is still coming out to preach gospel. I cannot believe it. Please, mommy love, help innocent victims. Mama, I will do my best, mama. As my strength will carry me. Not be a year, roughly 2 years I take call awareness. Till I expose this criminal. But people still go on. When she still said that area don't block, she go on Mama na Mumu scamming agency. They scam people. Million, what would they call? So, hand don't tire me to take your phone. Million, what did they call? Not grief finish. A whole hell of money. A whole hell of money. People sweat. Then you come tell me say disgrace go better for you. Make me say I go take better for your miserable life. Son of Babe, criminal. Guys, I asked a question earlier on. I want to ask again. Do you think this guy wasn't aware that this criminal is a terrible criminal? When before he collected endorsement and started making an advert for her to get opportunity to get a lot of people to scam. Do you think this guy didn't know that this notorious was a criminal? What is your take? Eh? There are different sizes of artificial plastic belly people do wear as if they are really pregnant. Exactly. Silicone fake pregnancy day. You buy your skin type. If you black, you buy your skin type. It go mash. Once you wear that, it go mash to your skin. It go blend like saying a real belly there. Whereas this one go buy. You go buy small one. Where they say even one pregnancy, one baby pregnancy for the big past such belly. You go buy small one. Can't tell us saying don't born shish. Half dozen of sardine. Ancestors, you don't look the children. I don't know what they resemble. Try different face, different look. Old face in baby, old faces in baby. That's why I call them ancestors. Can you imagine? Eh? No sense. He said yes, he know. Okay, he knew. Oh, you mean he knew? Okay, mama. People don't know say that they wear fake pregnancy. I think it's on my wall. I posted it. Different color. Maybe before I leave now, I'll show it if I remember. Different color according to your skin type you buy. You go look, you go blend your skin. If you wear them, we'll see you from afar. Even though you open your belly, you go this now real pregnancy. There, it's saga. Not be real.
He said he might pay Mama and Ma traveling agency to travel. 1 naira. She never refund, give him. Then, Okigo Jim, they 2 million naira. They don't refund some. I don't know the ones who they refund. So the total money where they don't pay up for those who don't reach out to me with their receipt. Now 45 million 700 and something thousand. 45 million 789,000 naira. Now they don't pay, give Mama and Mama.
40 something million. Now they don't pay where this criminal people where don't report to this guy. Where pay is my kids back? Okay, they are back from school already. Where they pay, they didn't even call me. Where they pay 40 something, how much? 45,789,000,000. I bet they call the Naira money self. 45,789,000,000, yeah. Now don't report back to this guy. When enter these people, when report back to this guy, they fall victim through this guy. Say
Good evening,
good evening, darling. How are you?
I'm fine.
How was school?
Was fine.
All right, I'm coming. Okay.
Okay.
All right, bye.
I'm
coming. I'm coming. I'm on live. Okay. So as I was saying, guys, you see people that fall victim through this guy. So this criminal, Mama na Mumu, scamming agency, fake. People wey don't report to her, so to report to this guy so far. The one Sunday when we say pass through this criminal direct, where she scam direct, where not come through this guy. The one is not come, where come through this guy, where be say, he don't report to her with receipts, with evidence, 40 something million so. The ones we never return back, where we say disgrace, they give hope, where see they guess expectance, or what do you call it? Expectance. Oh, visa will come out when they never know the one with the day. We never know how many be that. People will go through this criminal direct to pay millions for visa that will never some call that will never she can never obtain for them. We don't know how many. The one where come through this guy alone, now we don't see nothing now, roughly 50 million. You see, say this criminal really chop people money where. Mommy love is just like asking if Jeremiah, her father, is aware she is collecting dollar abroad to sow seed on his feet for prayers. Within they put for mouth, take they collect all this money. My darling Daniela, if you ask me now who I go ask, she's so diabolic. She's so diabolic. That I know. Person not speak correct, speak pidgin English common format. People will just entrust their millions into her hand. Person not even spell a name. Person not even make a correct sentence in correct English. People will just entrust their money. Like the thing get as it be. Is it that people are blind? I don't know how to. Let me not even insult the victim. Because if I say, is it that they are blind? You go be like they insult them. Like, now juju she they put for mouth, which I know she's so diabolic. She don't know God. What is wrong? Yeah? Okay, may we play and finish.
1 million give Rosemary. We return 2 million give people who pay 4.5 million. We return another 1 million give one other person. We return 400,000. Those are the ones we don't return. That's the total money they pay them. They say they've been calling her. She know they pick. They call her. They show me all the screenshots. She know they pick. She don't even block some. Person give you money, you block them for visa. See,
now they hear he says she don't even block some. Yeah, that's what she do. All those awareness when I create people when she scam that period, she block all of them. No one could reach her anymore. After she collected their money, she will block them. That's what she specializes on doing to people after scamming them. She will block them and tell them to go to hell. If those one use any other number to call her and she find out they are the people she have already scammed, she'll start threatening them. The next thing she will block again. That's what this notorious criminal does to people she has scammed. She will block them. She will block them. Yeah. Yeah. Now they hear her so. She have been pouring curses on her children before now, okay? If mommy love do the saga, insult to this 419 scammer children, there is nothing bad there. Exactly. Thank you, my darling. who go speak for you, no go hard you, my darling lady. I don't know that you be man or woman, but whatever, however, I appreciate you. Because some people, I don't get time, and they try to rush. Maybe I feel that I feel meet up for where they go. And some people, where they go to, I know all the any explanation. Now not to see do the little I can do to create more awareness, because it's painful. You know what it takes to gather money. Me, I love to save money very well. For money, if you say person they keep money, I don't know. If let's say I go to school, I love to save. Then when I save, I have purpose for that money. After I've saved for a period of time, one person will just scam me off my money. It's painful. I can't take it. I try to put myself in people's shoes that are in these victims. I can't take it. You know what it takes to save? Sometimes you even have to buy something. You tell yourself, I'm not going to buy a bag. I want to save my money, Jerry. You know, sometimes it's like that. Me, I do that. Like this summer, I didn't even buy anything for myself. I said, my wardrobe. See, only wardrobe, only me what they use. Clothes, full line. Even my daughter wardrobe, I they share our wardrobe with her because our wardrobe also big. Where I tell myself, say, you know what? Because I have plans. I have purpose. I tell myself, I always shop for my children. I say, you need one pin, I'm not going to buy for myself. That's discipline. I said, I'm not going to buy one pin. No matter how that thing will enter my eye, I'm not going to buy. Because I pursue something. But so far, I cannot like good food for my house. I know that. I know they use food, better food till they play. But say for myself, buy. The one I buy, I never use them. Some things they labor see they. I have to discipline myself because me, if I meet to save, I save. Then after saving, one person will just rip you off your money. True scam. It's painful now. It's painful. It's very painful. This very scammy, let me see. This very scammy money she is using to make Thanksgiving in Jeremiah church. All these pastors are collaborative with her. My darling. I can never fall for 419 in my life. Never. Even if you use juju or henna. Now everybody juju they carry. You don't know some people they be juju or even on their own. As me come be so you say you want to use juju. Like I pray, oh, you know walk. Cause I know the spirit will follow me come life. They know if you walk. Juju not they carry people like us. You waste your time. This idiot when me and my enemy they do friend on telephone. She called me one day, say, mommy love. He said, see three angels around me. This idiot so. He said, see 3 angels around me. He said, anything when a neighbor person throw at me, they always they bounce back. Who are these people? Who are they? She wants to know who are my guardian angels. Who are they? Anything, anybody throw at you spiritually always bounce back. I say, sure. This one don't carry my name work. I don't go check her. I say, I take day. Because now juju she they serve. Now babalawo she they invite come her house. Time with her number. I said this one don't go carry my name, go check, or carry my picture, go check me out. I said, see this one. I laugh. I said, do you know why? You know why I am? Do you know why I am? I said, come, first of all, me being a twin. Go and check it out. Just forget every other thing. Me, I be twins. I be twins. Only that one alone. What does that tells you? I be twin. Only that one. Go check. Go make your research. And twin can't get twin. Can't be say now this type. I tell her. Say go do your research. Before person they ask me that kind of thing, never carry my name waka. Because she's diabolic. Maybe she wanted to use something on me so that because she was bringing, come and buy land, you worry. Come and buy land, you worry. Come and do, you know, girl, you want to carry enter abroad. Come and do visa. Come and do visa. Years back. I say, well, I can't reason. I say, I be want to help somebody. I can't say how much. She say 1.9. I say, I can't reason now with my number 6. I say, person is say make I can't do visa. I may take carry person enter abroad. I said, but she the hunger for the abroad. She never feel do visa for herself. You see, that's common sense. I just put 1 or 2 together, reason the matter out, and I say, this one, no road for you. I don't involve myself because I reason and say this one, you get contact to, you get the contact to do visa. Now you never do for yourself when you they complain for my day and night. Or abroad they hungry like say tomorrow no day. So it's just common sense. So I can't fall for such thing, even though she used juju. I can't fall. Come buy land along the road for Wari for Agbaro. I say no. I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't get anybody when I know for Wari. I don't need that. I don't get any investment where I won't put for Wari. It's not my, no, that direction not consign me. Okay, say, mommy love, you have shared this dream matter of prophet like disgrace to us before. How she take dream see you? She never tell me say she na dream, whether na dream or no, she carry my name, I cannot even know for now. Whether she tell me say na dream, I not can remember again. But she was telling me that what they defend me spiritually. She saw 3 angels. Who are they? I've been at my twin sister, I've been at my mama, I've been at this. She want to know, say, you die where? Make I tell you, what they guide me, God punish your life. They crazy. Which friend may you want to reach there? May I can't tell you what they protect me. They crazy. Now I know I talk for a mouth. You cannot be a mate. If not the one that takes senior her, I use her guess and pass her. If not for anything. Now the one that takes senior her alone. That's what you can tell you say, well, I see 3 angels. What did they guide you? Who they be? I'll come through you, they tell you. Like really? Say what happen? You pull just from out. Which kind of friend now you do reach there? She's so stupid. She's diabolic. That I know. She's very diabolic. She's very diabolic. She don't invite Mama Lawo come house. When she call me for video call, they show me, they tell me make I greet the woman. I've said all these things in time past with evidence. I've said it, all these things. But people still falling. Please, guys, thumbs up this video for me. Let's try and finish it.
People go, just hand them money, see why they sweat. So they sweat to get their money.
Okay.
You can't block them. At least the person they do business with you, if he give you this, if he give you money, you would reach out to the person they talk to them. But this one, you block them.
Okay.
So I won't beg you, mama, go pay their money. Because you talk out before, say, if the thing don't work, you go refund money. Now, so you talk, the voice contact with this.
Hello. She's about good morning. God bless you. This is Mama, life-changing travel agency. By the grace of God, it's my 4 years on this work, and the person that introduced me to you is a well-known person in this Nigeria, and a very truthful person. And that person is among our ambassadors. We have 5 ambassadors. So the way we do our own work. 5
ambassadors arrange you to make the matter sweet. When we listen, Jared, because
we are doing visa for you. Depends on the country you want to go. Depends on the visa you want to do. You are making your part payment. Some countries 1 million, some countries 1.5, some countries you pay it cash. But if we do the visa, if it did not work out, we return your money to you. Yes, sir.
You say if you don't work, you will refund money. So pay them their money. Come on, the one you take work. According to you, you say the one where you take work, now you come on.
She even get the one where she take work. After she collects requirement from those people, now the money she get interest on. After she collects and she throw their passports, throw it for one corner. Collect the money, spend that on herself. She even get work when she dey work. Disgrace don't ever do anything where work for anybody. Hey? Una de hear cases. Mommy love is your twin sister, beautiful like you. I better not bring twin sister, mother come here. You want to make her cry? My twin sister is late, okay? Leave me alone. My twin sister don't go meet God. But not to go that area. I don't want to remember. So, una de hear so? Una de laugh, una de laugh. Why are you laughing? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Move, try, finish, I remain small.
Their money. Somebody cannot give you money and you won't be taking their calls. Somebody cannot give you money and you'll be blocking them. You block for Facebook, block for WhatsApp, block for direct call, block for everywhere. Because some not in Nigeria, they are broke.
Now the era, after she scammed them their hard-earned money, she go block them everywhere. She go block them everywhere. this criminal, where teeth be like shovel for a mouth, where teeth be like toilet for inside her mouth. She go block there everywhere. As she ugly so, she ugly say she need to scam people to take police boy where she use her money marry put for inside house. For how long? I must have bought for Jeffo. Jeffo will lost my card. I must have bought for her. You scam people to go buy children where spam not produce. This person, why now? Come on. How can you come to a twin and say I should tell you about my twin sister? What do you want to know about her? She's late. You don't know if I talk about her, I will cry. I thought we start coming to me. Come on, stop that, okay? Don't they play go that area tough with me? You understand? No, thank you, Vivian Dokbolo. How come you have my surname? Which Dokbolo are you? You understand, my lovely, amazing people? She go block them after scamming them. It's unfair. Is it human? You scam people their money, then the next you block them. You block them everywhere. How heartless you are, disgrace.
So if this is the day abroad now, nothing go happen.
Mama na mumu. Scamming agency Olosho. How heartless can you be? People money that they work and gather with their sweats. Okay, no problem, my lady. Doris, Peter, sorry. I don't know, say you don't know. You say, oh, sorry. That means you were not okay. It's okay. No, if I talk about my twin sister, I'll be emotional. You know, twins matter, I get as it be. You understand? Just go block them everywhere after scamming them their money for no reason. And you go buy children. Bye. The one they rape you, take born Deborah. Where armed robbers rape you, take born Deborah. Where you born? You never see head for inside. In the sense that you are spoiling people's own and you expect your own to be good. You don't know say the seed where they sow. Deborah go reap them. You know go feel reap all. Because Bible saying go visit iniquity of anyone to their first generation. Deborah you will not be able to reap all by yourself. So you don't see all these, even these ones where you born this half dozen of sardine, they will reap as well. They will reap because you are sowing a bad seed. No human with feelings will comfortably be continually scamming people and you don't have a remorse. You are not ready to repent. You will say after all, the moment they bring it to social media, you will say you are not paying, nothing will happen. Many of them like that. The one who you scam for Bini 1.7, you say because the boy cried to me, his sister cried to me, you know go pay again. And true, you not pay.